Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty Petals. Please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to never miss any new update. Today I will be sharing with you laundry room decor ideas. I love how all this turned out. They were so easy to make. Let's get started. You can use any wooden strip. Here I am using furring strip which I got it from Lowe's. To stick the wooden strip together, I am using Gorilla wooden glue and E6000 glue. And next, for supporting back of wood, I am sticking popsicle stick with the help of glue gun. I am using white acrylic paint to paint the wood. This will form the base of board. Make 2 or 3 coats to bring elegant white. Next, I wanted to give a border to this board, so I had this old 12 from my old canvas which I am going to use here for this project. And next I am going to paint this with my brown acrylic paint. Once I'm done with coloring, now I'm going to stick this using Gorilla wooden glue and E6000 glue. I'm going to use this peel and stick wall decor from Dollar Tree. Again, I wanted to make something unique, so I took a printout of cloths. To stick this, I'm using a Mod Podge glue here. All the product I mentioned in the description below. Please check it out. My next project, I'm going to use this old unused canvas. The first thing I will be doing is removing the canvas cover. Just be careful because this canvas will be reused for this DIY. And next I will be cutting the canvas to the size of the frame. Once I'm done cutting all the canvas, going to stain all the frame using brown acrylic paint. Once I'm done, I'm going to glue the canvas part to the back of the frame, and I will be using my hot glue. Again, from Dollar Tree, I will be using this peel and stick wall decor. Now I am going to peel and stick them to the center of the frame. And that it is. I absolutely loved it how it turned out. I used this DIY to decorate my laundry room. Hope you guys like this DIY. Please don't forget to like and share this video to your friend and family. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.